Coding challenge for the song name swapper. So the idea of this app is we take a song which contains someone's name, we ask the user to input their name, and then we simply go through the song, swapping out all the original names with the new person's name. Now the 3 levels: bronze, you've got to use the correct inputs, so ask them a question, what's your name, and print out the song. Silver's the same, but you also need to capitalize the first letter of each of the user's inputs, so it's just making the whole thing look a bit prettier. And then finally in gold, you need to use the sleep method and the system clear and a few other bits and bats to improve the layout and prettiness of your program. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we go. So bronze just pops up. I've called it the Rickrolling app there, so you no prizes for guessing what's going to happen there. So if you put Bob Jones, there you go. I'm going to sing a song for you, and there you go. Prints out the lyrics from the song, swapped with the correct name. And it works with any name that you give it. So if you put Bill Jones instead, it's not fixed. It will change them to the correct name. There you go, by swapping them out. Good. So that's the bronze. Let's have a look at the silver. Silver's similar, but you notice it clears the screen. And this time, it also capitalizes the first letter of each word. So Bob and Jones are both capitalized now. And then finally, the gold version. Bill Jones, there we go. Now this time slightly better. It uses time.sleep and it uses system clear. Sings each of the lyrics, there we go. And finally I've thrown in a bit of ASCII art at the end there, just to make it a bit more interesting, a bit more pretty. If you do want to use some ASCII art, then just Google ASCII art generator, and you should be able to find an ASCII art generator where you can pop up and just cut and paste your artwork into multiple prints. In future lessons, we'll look at how we could take your artwork and put it into a separate file, but we're not doing that now. There you go. Good luck with your coding challenge.